Hey everybody, today we'll explore the new filterable data table, a powerful feature designed for managers who need a straightforward way to view and filter team members' hours, or freelancers who need a simple table for billing. This feature helps all users explore their data more efficiently. Let's begin by heading to the Reports and Timesheets section. You'll notice the newly designed timesheet table, which is super easy to navigate and filter. You have a couple of options to customize your view. By accessing the Options menu, you can choose to hide or show specific columns. Alternatively, you can hide a column simply by clicking on the column header and clicking Hide. To help you quickly scan your data, you can use zebra striping to distinguish rows and vertical borders to separate columns. Next, you'll find options to change how time is displayed down here. There are 3 styles: decimal, as well as digital and traditional. You can easily sort columns in ascending or descending order, or from earliest to latest. Plus, each column can be resized by dragging the column header for a customized view. You can choose how many rows to display as well. We recommend 50, but you could also use 100 or 200, and easily navigate through specific pages of reports clicking here. To filter the table, click the drop-down menu at the top and select the filter icon. This will bring up filtering options. For example, if you want to filter timesheets by a specific project, just type the project's name in here and the relevant timesheets will appear. The same goes for filtering by tags and all other columns. If you ever want to go back to the default settings, head to Options, go down and click Reset. It's worth mentioning that the table itself will be shown everywhere in the app where we have this timesheet tab available. So we have the same under the People's page when you click on the individual user and then selecting this timesheet tab, or by going to Project and selecting Same Project and then under Timesheet tab. And that's it for the filterable data table. Happy time tracking!